So what's up, mathematical maniacs? It's nighttime right now, but it's okay. We can still do math. So here I'm gonna teach you today how to do long division. Before I taught you long multiplication, this is long division. So it goes about like this. Just follow these simple steps. You'll get it down pat. So here we got a number, 21,434 divided by 7. So, and just like long multiplication, we can divide this up into just looking at one digit at a time and then figuring it out. It's just a couple extra steps. So, first we see if 7 goes into 2. It doesn't. 7 doesn't go into 2 at all. So we write the 0 up here, and then 7 times 0 is 0 minus 0. We bring down, we do the subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. And then we bring down this 1. And then now we're looking at 7 going into 21. 7 goes into 21 3 times. So we write the 3 up here. We do the minus 21 because 7 times 3 is 21. Minus 21, we get 0. And then we bring down this 4. So now we're looking into 7 going into 4. 7 doesn't go into 4 whatsoever. We put a 0 up here. And then do 7 times 0 is 0 minus 0, we get 4. 4 minus 0, we get 4. And now we get 7 times, it goes into 34, or not 34, 43. How many times? You guessed it. It goes in 42 times. Well, 42 is that. Goes in 6 times. 6 times 7 is 42. Then we get 14. 7 goes into 14 twice. Our answer is 3,062. You can check it on the calculator. Works every time. So I'm going to show you what happens when it doesn't go in an even amount of times. You can just keep going, or you can get a remainder. So let's do something similar, but we know that won't work. So let's do like this. So it's just 2 more than this one. So it'll go in, but there'll be a remainder of 2. We'll see that. So 7 goes into 21 3 times. 21. 4. 7 goes into 4 0 times. 43. 6. And then we get a 16. So 7 goes into 16 twice. So we're getting the same thing, but instead we have a 2 left over and nothing more to bring down. So this is where either you can figure out your now it's just you got a 2 left over, so it could be 2 7s, or you could just keep going. So you can add a 0.0000. This doesn't change your answer or your number at all, but it helps you with the division. So 2 7ths you can figure out by just keep going. Just know that there's a point here, and this is where you're actually going into your decimal. So 7 goes into 20 twice, so I'll just write up here. So this is right, 3,062 and 2 7ths, but we could also go like this. And 7 goes into 60 8 times. Seven goes into 45 times. 7 goes into 50 7 times. 1 time. And then so on and so forth till we get alright, so here's where it starts repeating, I think. 7 goes into 20 twice. and then here we'll get the 60 again. So it goes into 68 times. So really 2/7 can be also represented as 0.285714 repeating. Shit. Whatever.